This is our first video, and I just wanted to go over some things really quick with you on Connect. And so what you're going to do is sign in to Connect, and hopefully that works, because usually it's very, very slow these days. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is go over how you can communicate with me. And so you'll go to your class, and you can go to Bible, and you can go to the class, and in activities there is a place for discussions, and here there are 50 new discussions. That's pretty good. So let's check that out. And you can see that people have written in here, and I have responded. So if you have any questions, you can do this in each class, in Bible, in social studies, in ELA, and you can go to this discussion and you can write in your questions, and I will get back to you as well and as quick as I can. And just remember, it's just for relevant questions to the course, not to chat with your friends. And I've already kind of shut some people down and deleted some messages. So just keep that in mind, because it's supposed to be a useful tool. The other thing is there are 2 assignments that are due this week, and the first one is the Friday paragraph that's due tomorrow, and the David's Diary, and that's due on Friday. And the way you're going to hand that in is, well, you can hand it in through hard copy, you can hand it in through email, through your parents' email, and you can hand it in through Connect as well. So if you went to assessments, assessments? No, not assessments. Activities. Here we go, right here. Assignments. And you can see that David's Diary is right here. The status is open. That means it's open for you to hand stuff in. And I think there's a place, probably for you but not for me, that says hand in assignments. So this is where you're going to do that. And hopefully that all makes sense. If it doesn't, you know where to go. You can go to discussions and talk to me about it. Or use your parents' email, or see me in class tomorrow or on Friday, and that should all be good. Hopefully that makes sense, and we'll see you again.